Mixonites, and of course, Tesla owners. Last time we talked about how Ingrid's Tesla rims have been through war, specifically due to LA curbs and potholes. But today we are fixing that. EVBase sent us a fresh pair of wheels to upgrade our scratch wheels, and we're gonna save $2,000 in the process. Now these aren't just cheap plastic covers, they're durable, lightweight, and designed to protect your rims, giving your Tesla a sleek look. And the best part, you can install these in minutes. 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes to be exact. First thing we gotta do is get these old hubcaps off. Now Ingrid's a rock climber, so she makes this look easy, but even if you don't have superhero strength, it's very simple. Just grab one section, give it a firm tug, and pop! Why'd I say it like that? See, no tools needed, just a little bit of elbow grease. Do this around the edges and the whole thing comes right off. Now before we snap these new ones on, we're gonna add some foam tape around the inner edge. It helps reduce vibration and keeps everything snug. Just peel, stick, and press into place. Super simple. By the way, EVBase includes everything you need, so there's gonna be no extra trips to the hardware store, if that's still a thing. Now the fun part, line up the hubcaps with the valve stem and the grooves on your rim. Then press firmly around the edges until you hear a click right into place. It's a satisfying click. That click is actually the sound of curb rash protection. Look at this transformation from scuffed and sad to sleek and protected in under 5 minutes. And the best part, these hubcaps aren't just for show. They are made from a high quality ABS plastic, so they're tough, lightweight, and they actually shield your rims from future curb rashes. It also comes with these caps, and they're double-sided tape. So you just pull out the sticker and place them onto the middle section of the wheel, and you're good to go. Good job.
Yay, one more. Done.
Boom, donezo. Mixonites, if you're tired of hiding your rim, or maybe you don't want to drop thousands on rim replacements or fixtures, make sure you use my code Mixonite to get you some hubcaps for your rims or for your wheels. It's going to be one of the best installments you can do for your Tesla to keep it protected and also looking good in the meantime. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your push notifications. Don't forget to use my code Mixonite at the checkout. And also to check out EVBase. They got a lot of things to offer aside from rims, but if you want to protect your investment, this is one of the best ways to do it. If you do have curb rash in your car, how did you get it? I want to hear your story down below. Maybe it'll match her story. Anyway, I'll catch you later. Peace.